Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's inspired nail design using Azure Beauty and Modelones dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I already applied my owned peel-off base coat off camera. So starting on the index nail, I apply a thin layer of base and dipped into my Azure Beauty red glitter dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. On my pinky nail, I did the same thing. Now I'm using my Modelones nude dip powder, so on my middle finger I placed a layer of base and dipped into the nude dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. On the index finger, I did 2 layers since I would be encapsulating some glitter on that nail as well. I didn't want the nail to be too bulky. So I'm using my heart-shaped glitters that I got from Amazon. I placed base on the ring finger and then I picked up the hard glitters individually and placed it on the nail. This is really simple to do and it makes a simple design look even more beautiful. Then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I proceeded to encapsulate the hard glitters with 2 layers of clear dip powder. Now I encapsulated the other nails as well. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, and then began filing. This is after filing up the nails, and now I apply my Modelones gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So happy Valentine's to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.